Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about new modern ribbon in Microsoft Power BI Desktop. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. In November 2019, that is this week, Microsoft has released the latest features in Power BI Desktop. There is lots of update on that. In this, one of the updates is the ribbon preview, which I really love this the way how it is. They brought up the Office 365 ribbon to this Power BI family. Now it is a part of this Power BI, the ribbon. If they change anything in the Office 365 for the ribbon, it will automatically change this here in the future updates as well. By default, it may not be enabled. You have to go to this file, options and settings, and it will open up this dialog box. You need to go to this preview features, and in that they have given two latest updates are there: updated ribbon and enable decomposition tree. In this video we are going to discuss about updated ribbon. For this enable decomposition tree, we'll do it on the next video. So you need to tick this box option and then click on OK. Once you click OK, it will pop up you for the restart of this Power BI desktop. You need to close again and then you need to open up again this Power BI desktop. Then you will see this the beautiful new ribbon. This is just awesome and I really love it the way how it is. We have brought up home tab and the clipboard are there, and you change all the icon sets here, and you brought up the data category here, data set, SQL server, enter data sources. You can add it as usual. So click on get data, it will give up the basic data, and then if you want to click more, it will open up this window. Okay, and then if you want to go to Power Query editor, you click on the transform data and then transform data. What I do and click the transform data, it will open up the Power Query editor. They are not brought up the ribbon inside this Power Query editor. They just brought up in the Power BI desktop as well. Okay, the refresh icon is there. If you want to insert a new visual, more visuals are there. If you want to click measures and publish, you can use it from here itself. Okay, the next tab is insert. Insert is new visual, more visuals. If you want to add more visuals, you can add. The page, blank or duplicate, and text box, buttons are there, shapes are there, and images are there. If you go to this modeling tab, the manage relationship measures are there, new column, new table, new what if parameter, role, Q&A, language, linguistic schema. Okay, if you go to this view tab, the theme they have given like Office 365 option. If you want to change the theme, you can change it here by clicking on any of those. This is super cool. It is changing the theme completely. Okay, and then the page view. They are given three options are there. Fit to page is by default. If you want to fit it by width, you can fit it using this one. And if you want to click on actual size, it will give the actual size, that is 16:9. It is good to be have it fit to page itself. And other things are there: page option, grid lines. If you want to snap to grid any object, and lock object are there. Bookmark pane. If you want to open it here from, you can open it here from here. Selection pane. In the previous version they have given the checkboxes, but here they have given the button as well. The performance analyzer and then sync slices are there. If you go to help, it is as usual in the previous way. So this is how it looks, the new versions of Power BI Desktop, and it is really cool and amazing the way how they have developed this ribbon. So go click on the files option, It gives a new, click on open, it will give a recent open look. This completely look like Office 365 if you have been using it anywhere else. And the save option, save as, get data, it brings up the data sources and import data if you want to import and export data, publish to Power BI, and options and settings are there. So these are the outlook of these preview features in modern ribbon in Power BI desktop. If you like this video and if you like this new ribbon preview features, click on the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, please post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.